Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import any Notion template into your workspace. Whether you're looking to organize your projects, track your goals, or streamline your workflow, knowing how to properly import templates will save you tons of time and give you access to Notion's powerful pre-built structures. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to your Notion workspace and log in. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar where all your pages and workspaces are displayed. This is where you'll select the specific workspace where you want your new template to live. Choosing the right workspace is important because it determines where the template will be stored and who can access it if you're working with a team. Next, click the plus button to create a new page for the template. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with and ensures your template doesn't accidentally merge with existing content. You'll notice that on this new page, there's a templates button either in the right sidebar or as an option that appears on the page itself. Go ahead and click on that templates button to open up Notion's template gallery. Now you'll see the templates window pop up, and this is where the magic happens. You can use the search bar at the top to find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a project tracker, a habit tracker, or a content calendar. If you're not sure what you need, you can also browse through the various categories that Notion provides. They've organized templates by use case, making it easy to discover options you might not have considered. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it to preview what it looks like. This preview gives you a clear view of the structure, layout, and functionality before you commit to adding it. If it looks good and meets your needs, you'll see a blue plus add button at the bottom of the preview window. Click that button to begin the import process. Give it a moment to load, as Notion will now be adding the template to your new page within the workspace you selected earlier. The time this takes depends on the complexity of the template, but it's usually just a few seconds. After it's finished, head back to your sidebar and look for your newly created page. You should see it listed right there with the template now fully imported. Finally, click on that imported template page to open it up. From here, you can customize it however you like, changing text, adding databases, or adjusting the layout to fit your specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully imported a Notion template and it's ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.